If you want to lock an app on OPPO Find X9, it is fairly simple. All you have to do is go, for example, to the app drawer. You can also do this in the home screen as well. And we need to press and hold our finger on the app that we wish to lock. So let's say I'm going to press and hold my finger on this app, and then we can choose App Lock. Now over here, we're going to choose Lock, and then we need to set up the privacy password unless you already have one. Over here, we can tap on use a different password type in order to choose the password type that you wish to use for privacy password. So in my case, I'm just going to use a pattern. There we go. Enter the password twice in order to confirm. Then you can use your OPPO account or HateUp account in order to be able to reset the privacy password in case you forget it. In my case, I'm going to choose Not Now. And then in here, we also have additional security settings. So we need to either attach a recovery email, we can also use a linked account, or we can set up a security question. So in my case, I'm going to choose a question. Over here, we can also create a custom question if you want to. So let's say I'm just going to type anything in here. Of course, in your case, you actually want to properly set it up to be able to recover the password, of course. And once we create the privacy password, the app is locked. So if I try to open it, I will have to enter the privacy password. And besides that, what you can also do is we can open settings. Let me actually start from the beginning. If we go to settings, then we can scroll down a little bit and go to security and privacy, then scroll further down in order to find the app lock feature in here. So in my case, I of course already have the privacy password, but in here we can choose also which apps should be locked and which should not be locked. So you can lock apps in here as well. So we have the full list. We can also filter by locked apps, and you can completely enable and disable the app lock over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.